Hey YouTube, 85cc Master here. Got a little project going on around the house. I got a bunch of brush piles I got to get rid of, so I had this existing trench dug out for my dirt bike track. I'm not going to be using this anymore, so I'm just digging it out deeper so I can bury all this brush that's laying around the property. I'm gonna be hauling it with that old dump truck right there, using it as like a on-site hauling truck. Got the excavator out on this rainy, nasty day today in South Carolina, ready for some nice weather to come our way. Seems like every weekend it's raining, and during the week while I'm at my full-time job it's sunny and nice. So anyways, this is a little project. I got a GoPro mount set up inside the cab so I can make videos inside of the cab. It'll be slanted like this, so I'm gonna have to edit them in the editor that I use, so it'll flip the screen. But anyways, I'll have more videos to come on this little home project I got going on. I also do heavy equipment work on the side, excavation, skid steer work, hauling with dump truck. You actually see my skid steer over there. Out of Lexington, South Carolina, but I also work in surrounding areas of Lexington. So if you ever need any work done or need any estimates, just shoot me a message in the comments. My name is Dakota Holman, so you can follow me on Facebook, or send me a friend request on there. And it's a little video on my project. Oh, there's the guard dog. More videos to come. Stay tuned. This is 85cc Master. Y'all have a good one.